By now, you are getting familiar and comfortable talking to your shadow child. Today, we are going to rebuild your universe with your shadow child. We are going to lay new foundations and create a new spiritual house. You will learn about yourself a lot more. Clear blockages that are stopping your manifestings from happening, and elevate you to your next level of sacred mastery. If you have followed the previous days, by now you should feel like the protector of your shadow child. You are your new parent, the gatekeeper of your being. People can't just take advantage of you anymore, because you have to protect your shadow child. You will have new goals, values, and beliefs because of your newfound responsibility. So today, we're going to build a new spiritual house for both you and your shadow child. We do this by building a very special house, one that cannot be destroyed. It is built from the universe's energy. Remember that even science's first law of thermodynamics, also known as law of conservation of energy, states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. The trick is to build this indestructible house with the right energies. And we do that with Merkaba meditation. This incredible energy process helps you realize your fullest capabilities. The word Merkaba means light, spirit, and body. Mer refers to a specific kind of light toward the worship of universe energy. Some translate it as God. Ka means the individual spirit of you, and Ba means your interpretation of your particular reality. When you picture Merkaba, it is two three-sided pyramids, one pointing up and one pointing down, intersecting each other and spinning in opposite directions. This is your Merkaba, the house just for you and your shadow child. Your special place. Its basic shape taps into the geometry of the universe, and through it, you can explore the matrix of creation, and thus your higher self together with your shadow child. This is a place where you can feel safe in your healing, for it is built with the energy of love. Also today, we're going to be working with two chakras. In Sanskrit, the Ajna chakra, also known as the third eye chakra, is the sixth chakra residing in the forehead between the eyebrows. This is your center of intuition and foresight, and is represented as a purple, bluish energy ball. You will use this chakra at the Anahata chakra, also known as the heart chakra, for today's sacred journey. The heart chakra is green in color and located in the center of the chest, not where our actual heart is. It is the fourth chakra counting from the bottom of the spine, and we will utilize its power of compassion, love, and beauty to build your inner and spiritual home. Comment below now the following statement to yourself. Today, I am building my new house filled with love, peace, and safety. As you comment, I want you to feel that excitement. Today, I am building my new house filled with love, peace, and safety. And go ahead and congratulate others. For those of you coming back, don't forget to share with them how your new home has changed your life. So if you're ready, let's begin building it. Namaste, Sacred Masters. I'm Dr. Aiwas Ukehi, Certified Shadow Work NLP Manifestation Coach, and today we're going to be building your new home for you and your shadow child. I want to remind you that this meditation has a different length for everybody, depending on how connected they are to their shadow child. So I want you to go through this with me for one time. Get used to the format, and then do this on your own comfortable time. Let's begin by closing our eyes and focusing on our breath again. Connect with your subconscious as the both of you are aware of your breath. Deep breath in, hold it for 4 seconds, exhale. Deep breath in, hold it for 4 seconds, exhale. Keep your focus on your breath. Thoughts come, allow them without judgment to come and pass. They are all just thoughts. They are not you. With your focus on your breathing, feel the ether around you. The darkness that has no beginning and no end. As you're breathing, I want you to picture your shadow child emerging from within and sitting beside you or in front of you. It is holding on to you and looking at you. Its new parent with awe. It is witnessing the incredible powers of your energy as you're about to create a home for you and your shadow child. In front of you, your Merkaba begins to form, spinning double pyramids. You can see the lines of the pyramid, and as you observe it, you notice that it is built with the energy of love, manifested in the shape of this double pyramid. Through every line, energy flowing through it until it is like a solid line. You can sense how strong and unbreakable it is. Your shadow child sees it too, and it cannot take its eyes away. Now picture this double pyramid formed by your manifesting powers flowing towards you. You and your shadow child are now in the middle of it. Look around you as you notice that it is spinning in opposite directions, guided by your breath. Each deep breath you take powers it into motion. This is your home now. This is your Merkaba, the shape that taps into the geometry of the universe. This home feels safe. Its powers is infinite with the universe's energy. Deep breaths. Keep your Merkaba in motion. Now we begin to tie your Merkaba, your house, to you and your shadow child's energy. I want you to hold onto your shadow child's hands as it sits together with you. It sits on your lap now as it watches you focus on your third eye chakra. Each deep breath you take is not only moving your Merkaba, but also moving your third eye chakra. Each breath you take sets it spinning in motion, faster and faster energy feels spilling out across it. As everything around you is in motion, picture a cord growing from your third eye chakra going into your heart chakra. It connects together, and your heart chakra begins to spin together with your third eye chakra. The heart chakra's green ball of energy is also spinning, but you notice that it is white energy with hints of gold that is coming up from the green chakra. This energy is love. You can smile at your shadow child if it starts to play with the energy. After all, you created it for the both of you. And with each of your breaths, this golden love grows from your heart chakra to encompass everything around you. You can also invite more love power into your new home filled with energy. All the love you've ever felt in your lifetime. Parents, guardians, siblings, lovers, friends, every love you've known. I'm going to count to 10, and when you open your eyes, I want you to be aware that while the 3D world overtakes your senses, your inner self can still feel this home. It is now yours, and nobody can see it, take away from it, or destroy it. It is only for you and your shadow child. 10. Feel that love. 9. Look around your home, your Merkaba. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Open your eyes. Can you still feel that home? It's still within you even if the 3D world has now dominated your senses. But what you create is still everlasting. You can come back to this home anytime to feel love and safety. This is your new home where your shadow child can live in, instead of hiding in the shadows of your unmet needs. Tomorrow will begin the exciting journey of working with your shadow child. But you've so far created an extremely strong foundation for your work. Shadow work doesn't have to be scary anymore. It can be illuminating. In your work, diligence, and commitment to your shadow child has now created a healthy and healed relationship for it to trust you once again. For the next 24 hours, explore your world with your shadow child. But come back to your Merkaba meditation and gently remind your shadow child that this is its home. You can come back to anytime. You can do this once, or twice, or as many as you like. Go and be illuminated. Namaste, Secret Masters.